Morning all, and from today onwards we are going to start automation a course Selenium with Java. The people who already joined in the manual testing, they already know what the syllabus we are going to learn in the Selenium. But most of the people joined newly in the today for the demo. For that purpose, I am going to tell what the syllabus you guys are going to learn in further classes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Thank you. So, if you have any doubts regarding the syllabus, you guys can ask me. The people who joined newly today: Nagalakshmi, Kusuma, Devaraj, Sweta, Madhavi, Fani, Hyder Ali, Satish, all you people. If you have any doubts, please stop me and ask your doubts. Okay. So here, this is the syllabus document. Hope everyone is have it. If not, I will share this document in your groups, which is created by your institutes. Okay, so we are done with the manual testing syllabus, all these topics by Saturday class, and mostly, if time permits, we'll start this introduction concept in the today class after explaining the syllabus. Okay, so total how many modules we have? We have six modules in automation. We have six modules in automation. So in those six modules, we are going to learn the first module as a Java. First module as a Java. If after completion of half of the syllabus in the Java, I'm going to teach a resume preparation, because this resume preparation is very important. If you wait until all these five concepts completed, so if you put the resume in your job portals after completion of the course, you will get interview calls maybe after 2 months or 3 months. But if you are ready to uh, before learning the concepts, if you make your resume proper and if you keep it in the job portals, you may get the calls by the end of the courses. Okay, that's the reason I'm planning to explain the resume preparation and before completion of the Java concepts. Okay, so we can't tell that if you put the resume, we would get called tomorrow or day after tomorrow, right? So after putting the resume, it should be screened by the human resource, HR, and some other technical team in that particular company. If it is good, then only they will conduct an interview call. Without screening of resume, they won't conduct any interview calls. That's the reason I'm planning to make a resume preparation before it. Okay. So in the Java concept, we guys are going to discuss about the introduction. It means that what is meant by Java and why we are using the Java. Okay, why the Java is compatible with the Selenium? Why we are not learning Python and other languages with the Selenium? Of course, we can use the Python and C Sharp, Ruby, JavaScript, all other languages with the Selenium. But why there is a more importance on the Java? Okay, and next we are going to see variables and data types. Very important concept. And then we are going to see conditional statement, if else, if if nested if, and next we are going to see arrays. Okay, very important topics. 2 3 4 5, 2 3 4 5 6 are very important topics. Okay, it will change your coding standards. Later you are going to see loops, functions, polymorphism, abstraction, oops, class, object, constructor. Okay, after completion of the Java, I am going to share one document with you guys with the question and answers for the Java. Okay, if you prepare all those question and answers for the Java, you guys can crack any interview question in the interviews for the Java. Okay, I prepared for every topic. I prepared a material, so there you can find question and answer. Okay, those materials will help you a lot to crack an interviews. Okay, so later we are going to see class, object, constructor, oops, concept, string and string functions, exception handling, abstract classes, interfaces, collections, file handling, and every what is the beauty of this course is, after the end of every module, you guys have a dedicated class for the Q&A doubts clearing session. Okay, whatever questions you have and you forgot to ask in the classes, you can note it in your notepad, or else you can note it in a paper and you can ask all your doubts by the end of the module. Okay, that is about the Java. And coming to the next one, Selenium plus TestNG. Once we are done with the Java, we are going to start. Besides resume preparation is also done. The module Java and resume preparation, both modules has to be done. And after that, we are going to take a Selenium plus TestNG. Okay, here if you want to learn any automation, okay, let me open this. If you want to learn automation classes, first you should aware about one programming language, and next you should aware about one tool, and next you should aware about one framework. Next you should aware about one editor where you can write the code. Okay, these four things are very important. Okay, whatever automation you guys are going to do, these are very important. Programming languages, what we have: Java, Python, C Sharp, Ruby, JavaScript, so on. These are the some of the programming language oops concepts we have to do with the Selenium. But in this course, we are going to learn the Java because most of the companies are using the Java. That's the reason I opted the Java in this course. And next one is tools. We have different tools we have. So there we are going to learn. We have Selenium and we have WebDriver.io, and then we have Cypress, and then we have Appium, and then you have QTP. So these are the some of the tools. But in this course, we are going to see the Selenium. In this course, we are going to see the Selenium. Okay, this Selenium and WebDriver.io, Cypress, and QTP, all other things are used for the web applications, but this Appium is used for the mobile applications. Okay, to automate the mobile application, we are going to use the Appium. We are going to use the Appium. In this course, we are going to learn the web-based application automation. That's the reason we are going to choose a Selenium in this course. Okay, QTP is the one of the tool which is designed by the HP company. It's a paid tool. It's a paid tool. And next one is frameworks. We do have different types of frameworks. So mostly we have TestNG. You may hear that, and you guys are going to see Cucumber. These are the some of the frameworks we have. You guys are going to learn both two in this course. In this course, you guys are going to learn two as well. So, and frameworks, these are the names. Okay, we have a different types of frameworks. Okay, these are the examples of the frameworks, and we have categories of the frameworks. We guys are going to learn categories of, among three categories we are going to learn. First one is data driven framework, keyword driven framework, hybrid. Okay, these are the three we are going to learn. And next one is editor. Is nothing but where you guys can write a where you guys can write code. So we have different types of tools: Eclipse, editors, Eclipse, IntelliJ, and then we have NetBeans. We have Visual Studio. It's nothing but VStudio. These are the some of the editors what we have in a market. Okay. Now most of the companies are using the Eclipse and IntelliJ. Most of the companies are Eclipse or IntelliJ is using. So that's the reason why we are going to use these things. That's the reason why we are going to use these things. Clear about these three things, these four things? Any doubt on it?
Very good, sir.
Please please respond, guys. I need everyone want to respond if you understand. If not,
No
you
doubt,
can
sir.
ask you everyone. Madhavi and Funny is clear. What about others?
Good.
No
You
doubts.
can upload, sir. It's fine.
Okay. What about you, Kusuma, Devaraj,
Yes, sir. I'm clear, sir.
Devaraj?
Sir,
Clear? And do you have any doubt on it? Okay, cool. So these are the things, guys. So wherever you go, wherever, whatever institute you guys are going to learn, wherever you want to learn, these are the very important. These are the very important. Okay. In programming language, we are going to learn Java. In tool, we are going to learn Selenium. In framework, we are going to learn all TestNG, Cucumber, data-driven, keyword, hybrid. And in editor, we guys are going to use Eclipse or IntelliJ. Okay. Both we are going to teach. I am going to teach IntelliJ in the Cucumber framework. I'm going to show the options of Cucumber in the IntelliJ, and Eclipse we are going to see TestNG. Because why I'm segregating these two editors, I want you people to learn both. Okay, I want you two people to learn both. Okay, apart from that, we guys are going to use one more tool that is named as build tool Maven. We are going to use this one, and the CI/CD tool, continuous integration and continuous deployment tool, which is called it as a Jenkins. It is a high level one. Most of the people is not required. The people who have less than 5 years and 6 years experience. The people have more than 5 years experience. There may be opportunity to work with the Jenkins with the high level, senior level. That's the reason I added these Jenkins concepts for this from the previous batch onwards. That's it. Okay. So CI/CD tool Jenkins, and afterwards we guys are going to learn some version control system VCS, which is named as Git. Okay. So apart from that, we are going to learn one central repository, which is named as GitHub. Okay. All these tools are you guys are going to learn in this course. Very good opportunity to learn all these tools in the very reasonable prices, reasonable fees. So don't miss this opportunity. If you like, if if you want to continue the classes, please confirm your slots with your institute and you can join it. Okay, so hope you guys are clear what you guys are going to learn in the further, right? So here, let me open that syllabus document, and I'm going to share this document with you guys. Don't worry what topics you guys are going to be covered in the Selenium and TestNG. We are going to discuss what is meant by Selenium and what is meant by web locators, and how to run the project with the TestNG, what are the benefits of TestNG, and what are the various rights and how to use it, and verification and assertions, and WebDriver comments plus pop-up handling, debugging test problems and debugging common WebDriver test failures, handling iframe, tabs or windows, and POM-based iframe framework from scratch, and how to install Selenium with the help of the Maven dependencies, Selenium test with POM pattern. Okay, don't worry, I won't explain all these concepts in a single day, right? So I give time. In every day I'm going to teach two concepts. Okay, these are the timetables of the previous batch. Don't confuse. I will remove these timetables and will share the uh, uh, this document with you in the group. Okay, so I already scheduled these timetables for the previous batch. It's going to be completed by the next couple of weeks. Okay, so here you can see data driven keyword framework and doubts clearing session. Once while explaining the Selenium test engine, I am going to teach this Git and GitHub as well. Okay, Git and GitHub is nothing but just now I said that every automation tester, if you are going to do automation testing job, then only you guys require Git and GitHub, Jenkins, Selenium, Java, TestNG, Cucumber, and all these things. If you are not applying for manual automation testing, if you want to stick to the manual testing, no need to learn all those things. Okay, this is the heart of the automation testing. You should learn. You will get interview questions, 2 to 3 questions in the automation from this. Okay, so what is the difference between git pull and git push? What is the branches, and what is the difference between merge and rebase? what are the conflicts we have, what is SSH keygen and access token concept. Okay, that's the reason very important topics I added here. Okay, so here repository means, for example, 5 people are working on a same project, and that 5 people is working on scripts with the count of 100 scripts. Okay, so each person has to write the 20 scripts. So whenever that person has written a person 1, person 2, person 3, person 4, person 5, total 5 persons are there. Each person has to write a 20 scripts. So first person is written their 20 scripts, and it should be sent for the review. That review name is called it as a PR. That review name is called it as a PR. It means that program review, which is written by the particular employee. The team manager or team lead has to be review that code, and that has to be matched to the repository. That has to be matched to the repository. Here, let me open the paint. Here you can see this is a central repository. This is a central repository. Here, just you guys can imagine, this is the person 1, and this is the person 2, this is a person 3, and this is the person 4, and this is the person 5. Okay, whenever this person has written this code, what he will do is he will send that 15 scripts to the team lead. Okay, let's assume this here team lead will be there, team lead or manager. Okay, whoever it is. So whenever he is written the code, he will send for the review. That leader or manager will review the code whether he written properly or not. Okay, once he is confirmed the code, he is going to be push this code into the Git repository. This is a central repository. This is a central repo. This is a central repo. So here this has to be pushed to the code. What is this? Git push. Push is nothing but adding the code. Is not. Let's remember like this. Git push is nothing but uploading files. Git pull is nothing but downloading files. Git pull is nothing but downloading files. So here you can see. Now this person 1 is completed 20 scripts, right? The person 2 is waiting for the script written by the person 1, because the test cases which is has to be scripted by the person 2 is completely depend on the scripts written by the person 1. So then at that time what this person do is he can clone this repository. Okay, there is a this branch is called it as a master branch. We are having two types of branches mainly, master branch and child branch. Okay, this is the master branch. Child branch or slave branch, we are calling it as master slave architecture we have. So whenever this person has to write a scripts for the new feature, he want to clone the features which is already written by this person A. So what he will do is, now he will take, it was, what he will do now is he will download the code from this repository. Okay, download is nothing but, what is meant by download? What I said just now,
Git pull.
git pull, right? He's pulling the code from the repository. So whenever after pulling this code from the repository, this person are going to do some changes on that particular code. Okay, so whenever this person is going to change the code on the pulled code, it won't be affected on the central repository. Okay, these guys are able to download, these guys are not able to push the code. It should be pushed by the manager or lead only. There is no access to these people to push the code. Okay, whenever he is going to do the changes on the code which is cloned in that system, that changes will be there in the particular laptop only. It won't be changed in the central repository. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all these operations are done with the help of the Git. Okay, once this person is done all the remaining 20 features, he is going to send again to the lead, team lead. And again what he will do, he will merge this code with the previous code. Now the merge will happen. Merge is nothing but that this code is going to be added. Now the changes will be there on the central repository. Okay, so we are having a particular process how to push and how to pull. We are going to discuss in the further classes. Okay, so hope you guys clear so far what I explained.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool guys. And here, after that, you guys are going to learn Jenkins. Very, very important guys. I will tell you how to install Jenkins in your laptop, how to set up it, and how to create a job in it, and how to update a mail notification. For example, you want to run one script. After running the script, you want that to update in your mail. Your script is executed. That mail has to be come to your mail. Okay, so I will explain that with the automation way of continuous integration. Okay, this is going to be explained in the further classes. And in resume preparation we are going to see why resume should be prepared, how it prepared, and what it prepared in it, and how many types of resumes we have, what is the digital resume and normal resume. And we can prepare the resumes with a chat gpt. Most of you people aware of, okay, because now it was trending in the YouTube as well. Most of you people are aware it. If you, even though I am going to explain very clearly how to prepare a resume with the help of the chat gpt. Okay, these are the things you guys are going to learn. And for every module completed we have a dedicated session for the doubts clearing. And apart from that we have I'm going to share interview questions for the all the things. And apart from that you guys are receiving the recordings every day after completion of the class. Apart from that you guys are going to receive materials of each topic. And apart from that you guys are receiving the interview questions which is faced by our students recently. For example, if one of our student faced interview yesterday, okay, so that person will share interview questions with me what he encountered in the yesterday. I am going to collect those interview questions and I am going to share in your groups as well, because it helps a lot to get a more details about the interview questions. Okay, I will share one telegram group. You guys can join in the telegram group as well. You guys will get the interview questions what is going to be asked in the latest interviews. Okay, I will share the telegram group link as well. Okay, so hope you guys are very clear about the syllabus what I'm going to explain the further classes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. This is the small demo session, guys. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to start a classes on the Selenium. Tomorrow, we can see the introduction to the Selenium. And most of the initial classes are going to be very slow, because everyone should be habituated to the classes. Because the manual testing people who already joined, they already habituated to the classes. They can grab even if I go speed. But the most of the people are joined newly to the only automation course, so I should go with a slow and study for the few classes, because they should habituated to my classes, right? So once they are habituated we can go move forward somewhat, we can speed up the classes. Is everyone okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you guys interested to join? Nagalakshmi, Kusuma, Sweta, Pudvi, Devaraj, I think these are the 5 students newly joined to the course. Have you got, have you get it the class? Is it understandable for you?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you want any changes in the explaining? Any feedback about the demo? What you learned so far from the new students? Any doubts? This document is already with the institute. If you want, you can ask your institute, because you guys are not in the group, right? Not in the WhatsApp group to share this syllabus document. So once you guys are joined in the WhatsApp group, I will share the document to you guys again. I already shared with the people who is already there from manual testing. Once you guys are joined, then I'm going to share the document in the WhatsApp group as well. Okay, so have a nice day. Thank you all, and I hope expecting the same strength from tomorrow class as well. So have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.